Students of class 1, myself Nikita Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am here to teach you mathematics chapter number 1, numbers up to 50, part 6. So today's topic is counting in tens. In the last part, as you learned what is tens and ones, so based on that we have to learn more counting in tens. So what they have asked us, bunting are used to decorate a tent at the fair. Each bunting has 10 triangles. Buntings means, as you can see this one, this is used in the decoration of tents, and even as you have seen in birthday parties, it is used for decoration. So these are called buntings. Here what they have told us, one bunting has 10 triangles. So in one bunting like this, there are total 10 triangles. So how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Like this 10 triangles are there. That means if 10 triangles, so it is called 1 tens. So same way, if 2 buntings are there, so it is total 20. So 20 means 2 tens. If we have 3 buntings, means 3 buntings have 30 triangles. So 30 means 3 tens equals to 30 bunting, means 30 triangles. Next is 4 buntings have 40 triangles. So 4 buntings means in one bunting there are 10 triangles. So in 4 it will be 40 triangles. So 4 tens equals to 40 triangles. Next is 5 buntings have 50 triangles. So if in one bunting it is 10 triangles, so in 5 buntings means 5 tens will have 50 triangles. So this is counting in tens. As you can see here that they have given number names. So 10, you know number name very well, TEN, 10. Let us revise. 20, TWENTY, 20. 30, THIRTY, 30. 40, FORTY, 40. 50, FIFTY, 50. So students, I want you all to practice all the number names in your notebook so that it will be helpful for you to learn the number names and to understand it. Next page we will see building numbers. Now what are building numbers? Now you know counting in tens is what? So how to build these numbers? As you can see here, Jaggu the juggler keeps his juggling rings in boxes of 10. Help him count how many rings of each color he has. So this person is Jaggu. So he is a juggler. Juggler means those who do this, play with this ring, as you have seen in the this one, what you say, when you go to watch some magic show, in that you have seen that like this they play with the ring. So same way this Jaggu, he is a juggler, so he is playing with the rings of different colors. So we have to separate the rings according to their color. So first you can see here it is yellow rings, next is blue, then it is green, then it is red, and last is purple. So these rings we have to separate it out according to their color. Now first we will go with yellow. So yellow, when we count it, it were total 20. Why 20 we have kept separately? To make it easy for counting. If we make a group of 10, so it will be very easy for us to count. So here he has made this, we will make 10 groups. So 10 group of 1 and the other 10 of 1. So here total 20 are separate and extra 4 are there. So if we say 20 and 4, it means 24. So this becomes very easy when we make it into the groups of 10. Next you can see blue one, 10, 10. 3 groups are there. So 3 groups means 3 tens. So that means total 30 rings are there. And 30, if you 30 and extra 3 he is having. So 30 and 3 if we add, it gives us 33. Next again we have separated green rings. So again it is in group of 10 tens. So total 3 groups are there. So 3 tens means 30. And extra how many are there? 6. So 30 and 6 will become 36. Same way you can see the red one. How many groups we made? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will say it as 4 tens because in each group there are 10 rings. So 4 tens gives you 40. And extra how many are there? 2. So 4 and 2 will give you 42. Next is purple rings. So in purple rings they have made 4 groups. So in 4 groups means 4 tens. And 4 tens extra how many are there? 5 are there. So 4 tens and 5 will make 45. So like this you can build the numbers. If you want we can do some extra numbers. Suppose they have done groups of 4. Here 10 10 they have separated. So if we separate any of the color, suppose it is red. So red if we made 2 groups, 10 in each group, that means it is 2 groups of 10. So 2 tens equals to 20. And extra how many we are having? Extra we are having 4. So 2 tens and 4 gives us 24. So like this you have to practice at home. You can take any of the numbers and practice at home. So here I completed this part and hope you all understood what we learned today. Thank you students.